a YouTuber, so I'm gonna make a video today. And I'm gonna be, since this big box came with a whole bunch of slimes in it, and it came with this many slimes, not two, but there's some behind it. I'm gonna be unboxing all of them. So yeah, let's do it. First, I'm gonna be unboxing this blue one, and this one's called Blueberry Cotton Candy. Let's see if it makes bubbles. Whoa, guys, did you see that little bit of like green in it? It's so awesome. This is a very good slime, but it's kind of not too stretchy. It's stretchy because it just rips. It's stretchy. It just rips. That's the problem. And it pokes really good. Let's see the crackle-lackles now. No, the cracks. Not bad, but I don't really like it. This one, 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Next one is this green one, and it's called Apple Jams. Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel this. It's so fluffy. It's very stretchy. Super stretchy. Let's see the poke. It's good.